Imagine a magical place where the waters can make you young again, where every sip promises eternal youth. For centuries, explorers have risked their lives and ventured into the unknown, driven by one powerful question: could the Fountain of Youth be real? Today, we're unraveling the myth of the Fountain of Youth, a legend that has captivated humanity for ages. The legend of the Fountain of Youth dates back thousands of years, with tales of a miraculous spring that could restore youth to anyone who drank from it. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and the Egyptians spoke of rejuvenating waters, but the legend truly took hold during the Age of Exploration. One of the most famous seekers was the Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de León, who, according to popular stories, sailed to what is now Florida in the early 16th century, believing he might find these mystical waters. But was it all just a wild chase fueled by myths, or was there something more to this age-old quest? While history suggests the Fountain of Youth remains a myth, its allure persists, symbolizing humanity's timeless desire to conquer age and capture the essence of life itself. But perhaps the real secret lies not in a mythical fountain, but in embracing the fleeting beauty of each moment we have. Intrigued by more mysterious myths and legends? Hit that subscribe button and join us on more incredible journeys through the world's greatest mysteries.